The cheeseburger is much more than just fast food. It is a global cultural icon and a masterclass in texture. A true gourmet version begins with a premium blend of dry-aged beef, seared to create a thick, salty crust known as the Maillard reaction. As the meat cooks, a generous slice of sharp yellow cheddar is draped over it, melting into every crevice. This is nestled within a glossy, toasted brioche bun that has been buttered to perfection. With the crunch of cold iceberg lettuce and the acidity of a vine-ripened tomato, it's a symphony of flavors. But have you ever wondered why the bun is just as important as the meat? A poor quality bun will crumble, but a toasted brioche holds the juices, ensuring the perfect bite from start to finish. Welcome to the heart of Persian hospitality with Chelo Kebab Koobideh. This dish is the gold standard of Iranian cuisine, consisting of 2 succulent skewers of ground lamb or beef mixed with grated onions and traditional spices. The meat is grilled over open coals until it develops a beautiful smoky char while remaining incredibly juicy inside. It is served on a bed of chelo, fluffy, long-grain basmati rice, where every grain is separate and aromatic. The crowning glory is the vibrant yellow saffron-infused rice on top and a knob of melting butter. Iranians often look for the tahdig, the prized crispy golden rice crust from the bottom of the pot. It's a dish that represents thousands of years of culinary history in every aromatic mouthful. Peking duck is a culinary masterpiece that was once reserved strictly for the Chinese emperors. The preparation is an art form that takes days to complete. Air is pumped under the skin to separate it from the meat, allowing the fat to render out during roasting until the skin becomes as thin and crisp as glass. The result is a deep, mahogany-colored bird with a lacquered finish. Traditionally, a skilled chef carves the duck into exactly 108 thin slices. These are wrapped in delicate, translucent pancakes, along with sweet hoisin sauce, slivered cucumbers, and scallions. The contrast between the shattering crunch of the skin and the tender, savory meat is why this dish remains one of the most sought-after delicacies in the world. Borscht is the soulful heart of Ukrainian cuisine, a vibrant, deep red beet soup that is as nutritious as it is beautiful. It's a complex build of flavors, combining earthy beets with cabbage, potatoes, carrots, and slow-cooked meat to create a rich, savory broth. Every Ukrainian family has their own secret recipe, but the signature is the balance between sweet and sour. It is traditionally served with a heavy dollop of thick white sour cream, which creates stunning pink swirls in the bowl, and a sprinkle of fresh green dill. For the authentic experience, it must be eaten with pampushki, soft garlic bread rolls, and a slice of dark rye bread. It isn't just a soup, it's a symbol of resilience and heritage that tastes even better the next day. Tacos al pastor are the ultimate expression of Mexican street food fusion. Inspired by Lebanese immigrants, this dish features pork that has been marinated in a blend of dried chilies, spices, and achiote, giving it a signature red hue. The meat is stacked onto a vertical spit called a trompo and slowly roasted by an open flame. As the outer layer carves off, it's caught in warm, small corn tortillas. The magic happens with the addition of a small slice of pineapple, skillfully flicked from the top of the spit into the taco. The sweetness of the fruit cuts through the smoky, spicy fat of the pork, finished with fresh cilantro and finely chopped white onions. It's a high-speed explosion of flavor that defines the streets of Mexico City. Butter chicken is perhaps the most beloved Indian dish globally, hailing from the vibrant streets of Delhi. The journey begins with chicken marinated in yogurt and a blend of spices, traditionally charred in a clay tandoor oven. These smoky pieces are then submerged in a makhani sauce, a velvet-smooth gravy made from tomatoes, cream, and a generous amount of butter. The sauce is infused with aromatic fenugreek and garam masala, creating a flavor profile that is rich, mild, and deeply comforting. It is almost always paired with garlic naan, a leavened flatbread baked against the walls of the tandoor until it's bubbly and charred. Tearing off a piece of warm naan and scooping up the creamy orange sauce is a sensory experience like no other. The pizza margherita is the definition of Italian elegance. Simple, high-quality ingredients working in perfect harmony. Originating in Naples, this pizza features a soft, thin crust with a characteristic leopard-spotted charred rim, achieved in a wood-fired oven at blistering temperatures. The toppings represent the colors of the Italian flag: vibrant red tomato sauce made from San Marzano tomatoes, white discs of fresh mozzarella di bufala, and bright green basil leaves. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil finishes the pie. There is no room for error here. Because there are so few ingredients, each one must be of the highest quality. It is a dish that proves you don't need a dozen toppings to create the world's most popular food. Japanese nigiri sushi is a masterclass in minimalism and precision. Unlike Western rolls, nigiri focuses entirely on the harmony between the fish and the rice. A master sushi chef, or shonen, hand-molds a small pod of vinegared rice, seasoned to a precise balance of sweet and salty. On top sits a pristine slice of raw sushi-grade fish, such as fatty tuna, otoro, or glowing orange salmon. A tiny dab of pungent wasabi is hidden between the fish and the rice to enhance the flavor. The goal is to highlight the natural texture and sweetness of the seafood. In Japan, sushi isn't just a meal. It's a spiritual dedication to freshness and seasonal ingredients, served at room temperature to ensure the fats of the fish melt the moment they touch your tongue.